Hello, guys, and welcome to the crypto whale tracking series where we monitor all the major whales across all the major blockchains to detect what the biggest crypto whales are doing behind the scenes, right? So remember, it's the altcoin Doctor here, bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency analysis, price predictions, and trades of your favorite coin. So please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for doing that. And without further ado, as you can see, we are on the chart for yearn.finance or YFI versus the USD Theta. As you can see, we are the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is our data source. And one of the things we could see right here is that this is the price data and this is the wallet data, right? Even for the whales and for the retail of YFI or Yen Finance, right? As you can see in the blue right here is what we call the whales. Or this line tracks the wallet for the whales, right? This is your typical big money, which is $100,000, $500,000, even up to $1 million, right? And as you can see, retail, this is your typical $100, $200, and even $300, right? Just little amounts of money, 3K to $1,000 here and there, right? This is what we call the retail. And one of the things we could notice, right, with the retail versus the whale wallet data is that the whales have continued to accumulate, right, yen finance, right, even through this bear market, right? As you can see that, which can be seen clearly on the chart. As you can see, they have been accumulating, and as you can see, retail have been selling out of their yen finance positions, especially recently with the major fraud that just happened in the United States, right there, even with the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance, we have seen a huge push to the downside for the price of yen finance. As you can see, since then, much of the retails, much of small money has been selling out of their positions, while we have seen a major increase in positions by the whales during this period. So, is there something the whales know that we don't know? As you can see, right down through, we saw a breakdown of price. We saw the whales increase their positions even higher, while many of the retail were selling out of their yearn.finance or YFI. We have seen the whales accumulate even more, right? So let me know what you're doing in the comment section. Are you like the whales? Are you buying even more yen dot finance, more YFI this season, or are you selling out of your positions, or are you just basically just following the price action and just trading it? So let me know your comments in the comment section. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.